Konnichiwa, Mina. This is the Anime Guy, and welcome to this episode of Anime Guy Asks, where I ask you a anime-related question. I'll give you my answer, you give me yours. Today's question is, does it annoy you that both parts of an anime don't get released at the same time? Some examples: Log Horizon, a certain Magical Index 2, which I want to watch as soon as possible, the dubbed version, but I can't because only part 1 is out right now, and I don't want to torture myself by watching half of a series, and if I enjoy it then I have to wait. I wish that both parts of a series would be released at the same time. Now, I'm only talking about those series that are two-parters. I don't expect a bigger series to be released all at once, but just these two-parters really annoy me. I would just like to watch or review dubs as soon as possible, but it's annoying having to wait for both parts to be released. So I'm curious, does it also annoy you? Thank you for watching, and until next time.